if this goes to San Diego.
Well, it's in the opposite direction, though.
Huh?
It's in the opposite direction, right?
Yeah, but it could turn south because there is a line that goes south.
Yeah, maybe.
My God, this thing's got to be over a mile long.
But I suspect this is probably coming from
Or maybe
either the port of
LA,
LA or San Diego, and it's going to points east.
How do they ever know what's in what?
They all have codes. They just scan them.
Oh, spent every summer plus of my childhood riding trains.
That's
It was so
awesome.
exciting.
Hey, Lilo, is this like the coolest thing ever, or what?
It's got to be more than a mile.
Wow.
Imagine one engine can move this.
It's
They
pretty
probably
amazing.
have one pushing it the other
Oh,
end.
they've got more than two, I am guessing. Look at that, Lilo. Holy guacamole.
Remember the one that we saw at Harrison going over the water? Over the
Oh, that was
river?
pretty. That was so cool. That whole area is so beautiful.
Well, hub truck's big, whatever it is.
Yeah. Wow. Leo, have you ever seen a train this long? This is amazing. See, look, there's two more. There's two
in the middle.
Two in the middle, right?
Yeah. Probably two at the end.
This is amazing.
I don't think I've ever seen one this long.
You didn't have them this long when you were growing up in Canada?
Because
Well-
they had steam engines.
Yeah, and well, the thing is too, like this whole cargo container, you know, port to train
Yeah.
system is, in context, relatively new
Yeah.
compared to, you know, 1940s Canada. So, wow.
Ours was mostly, like these would be heaped with coal
Yeah.
and stuff like that, you know,
Okay.
bringing it to the north.
And then what would it take away from the North Timber?
They had flatbeds and they were stacked with timber with belts,
Okay.
you know, not timber, logs.
Yes. Yes.
And then I suppose timber at some point.
Well, the timber is the logs, and the lumber is,
Yeah.
you know.
Because all the trees and timber from that area from Prince George went to the war effort.
Okay.
And after the war, there was only enough lumber for 4 houses. Did I tell you this before?
You did.
Yeah. And it was a lottery and we won.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it was.
What were the other houses built out of?
They were all built out of lumber.
I know, but so they could only build 4 houses after the war?
That's all the lumber they had.
Oh my God. So what did anybody else who needed a house do?
Well, they had to wait because they stopped shipping it away.
Where were they living?
Well, the people already lived there somewhere, but if you wanted to build your own house,
I see.
there was only enough lumber at that point for 4.
That's amazing.
Or maybe there was more, but there was a lottery,
Okay.
and, you know, we were one of the ones that got it. So. Gee.
5.5
engine
minutes.
on the back.